A breakdown of the levels of autonomous driving. A breakdown of the levels of autonomous driving. Rapid developments in technology are radically changing the automotive industry, including the arrival of autonomous cars. The advent of autonomous cars has captured the imagination of tech enthusiasts. And industry insiders who eagerly await the day when self-driving vehicles become a reality. But what do we mean by autonomous vehicles? In what ways are they different from traditional cars? How do they work, and what are the different levels of autonomy? In this article, we will break down the levels of autonomous driving and explore the technology that drives this innovation. In simple terms, autonomous cars are vehicles that can operate without human intervention. They rely on a combination of sensors, cameras, software, and mapping technology to navigate roads, identify obstacles, and interact with other cars. The ultimate goal of autonomous cars is to reduce the number of accidents on roads and to make driving more efficient and convenient. Let's explore each level in more detail. Level 0, no automation. The lowest level of autonomous driving is Level 0, which refers to traditional cars that require a human driver to operate all essential controls, such as steering, braking, and accelerating. There is no automation in Level 0 vehicles, which depend entirely on the driver to ensure safe operation. Level 1, driver assistance. Level 1 autonomous cars feature basic automated functions that can make driving easier and more convenient. However, despite these automated features, Level 1 vehicles still require the driver to remain in control of the car and monitor driving conditions. Level 2, partial automation. Level 2 autonomous cars feature more advanced automated functions that can significantly reduce the driver's workload. In addition to the basic features found in Level 1 vehicles, Level 2 cars can control their speed and steering in certain situations. For example, a Level 2 car might be able to accelerate, brake, and steer on highways, but the driver must remain ready to take control at a moment. Notice. Level 2 vehicles are more advanced than Level 1 vehicles, but they still rely heavily on the driver to remain alert and attentive. Level 3, conditional automation. Level 3 autonomous cars represent a significant jump in automation from Level 2 vehicles. They are capable of operating under specific conditions without human intervention. For example, a Level 3 car might be able to drive itself in traffic jams or on highways, with the driver able to take their hands off the steering wheel for extended periods. However, unlike Level 2 vehicles, Level 3 cars can alert the driver when conditions require them to take control. Level 3 cars require the presence of a driver who is capable of taking over control anytime. Level 4, high automation. Level 4 autonomous vehicles have a higher degree of automation than Level 3 cars and represent a significant advancement in self-driving technology. They are capable of operating under most conditions without any human intervention. Level 4 cars can drive themselves on highways, in cities, and other specific environments without the need for driver intervention. Unlike Level 3 vehicles, Level 4 cars do not require drivers to remain alert and ready to take over at any moment. Level 5, full automation. Level 5 autonomous cars represent the highest level of automation and require no human intervention under any driving conditions. Level 5 cars are capable of driving themselves in any environment with without a steering wheel, pedals, or any other traditional driving controls. Despite the vast potential of Level 5 vehicles, there are still significant challenges that need to be addressed before they become a reality. Some of these challenges include regulatory